Don't feel like making a post right now. Hank, get inside. Probably see. Witch don't have a cape because the wind got so bad earlier that it blew it over her head, and it ripped on her hands. So I just came out here and took it off. Took it inside. So it's really weird without one, if anyone's ever wondered what she looks like without one. It's like that. There's like 3 rips on it. Yeah, so damage. It's raining now, which is great. Weather's miserable. Come on, Hank.